In this After Effects tutorial, we'll be creating this outline effect. Now this is commonly used in different designs and some animations, and I got a couple of requests about it, so let's make a quick tutorial. So basically, once we have a shot like this one, which is rather easy to work with because the main focus is in the front here and the background is black. So in this case, what I'm gonna do is duplicate my layer. We'll call this mask. Then we'll grab the track matte here of my text layer and make it a track matte to the mask layer. Now basically you can see that our text is sort of behind the fire. Now if I add a levels effect to my mask layer, I can sort of control how much I want it to be in the front and in the back of my text. So let me just increase it a bit here. Okay, this should be good enough. Now how do we get the outline to be on the front? So I'm going to duplicate my text layer, and going down into the properties here, I'm just going to select stroke and unselect fill. Now you want to make sure you have some thickness to your stroke here, so 2 should be enough. And then I'm going to disable the inversion here, so unselect this, and we can now see the outline being shown only on the flame. So if I hide my main text, you can see it sort of shows it only on the main flame. Now again, we can go back into the mask here and control the levels of how much we want it to be visible. And this way we can achieve some nice looking designs. Now in this example, we do have a sky which we can use sort of like a green screen to key out the background, but still let's say it's something different like a person or a ball or anything. So let's duplicate our main layer here and we'll call this one roto. Then let me delete the tracking here that I've done and we'll go into the roto brush, double click my layer, and let's select all the subjects in the front. So it will be these balloons, maybe these ones as well, just so we have them. And if you want to increase or decrease the brush size, by the way, you can select Control and drag your mouse left and right to increase or decrease the size. So I'm just gonna touch up some details here. All right, let's play this back. And the tracking looks all right. Once you've completed that, let's go ahead and click on freeze to freeze our rotoscoping. Now once this is done, we can go back into the main frame and we'll drag our text below the rotoscope layer and duplicate it just like before. We can drop it on top and we'll make it a track matte to the roto layer. Then go into the properties here, select stroke, unselect fill. Let's hide the main text so we can see it. And now you can see that we're getting only the outlines of the text on top of these balloons. So let's enable everything together. And there we have the same outline effect using rotoscoping. So a quick tutorial. I hope you found it useful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.